MHC Kenworth Nashville. For your consideration, this is a 2015 Kenworth T680 Day Cab with a Cummins ISX 15 450 horsepower engine with only 465,000 miles on the odometer, coupled to a 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. This day cab sits atop a Kenworth Airglide 400 air suspension. This truck has been lease maintained with maintenance records available and also comes with brand new virgin Bridgestones. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin in Splendor Gray. Warranty options and financing specials are available for this truck. Get your hands on this truck today at MHC Kenworth Nashville. We're ready to roll with you.